Getting a good skin is a long-term process, but if we will add a good and effective product in our skincare regime, then it will make a huge difference and it will change our skincare game forever. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about a face mask which will change your skin forever. Recently, I got a call from one of my friends where she was just raving about one face mask which does wonders to her skin. She was using that face mask for last 1 month and then she called me and told me about it. And being a YouTuber and beauty blogger, I had to get my hands on it. She was talking about this face mask from the brand Prolixer. This one is their Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask, and it says that this mask deeply hydrates, detoxify and brighten, protect against pollution, tighten pores and boost radiance. This comes in this 50 grams of packaging, and the price of this is 1490 rupees, and it has a shelf life of 24 months. I am making this video after using this face mask thrice on my face, and I could definitely see results on my skin. This is one of the product which actually does what it claims. Let me just tell you what it claims, and then I will apply this face mask on my face and show you the live result on this video. This mask contains 5 main ingredients which are very good for your skin. The first ingredient is Diatomaceous Earth, which is for boost radiance, tighten pore and cures acne. Because this is a kind of a clay mask, then it actually helps a lot to cleaning the pores from inside and get rid of acne marks and also the active acne as well. It contains hydrochloric acid, and as you know guys, hydrochloric acid is very good for your skin. It actually eliminates dryness, retain moisture and hydrates. Third ingredient which it does have is seaweed algae, which is the main ingredient in this clay mask. It actually helps in remove toxin, conditions and detoxify your skin from inside. And then it has vitamin C which smoothen, whiten and give a good glow to your face. Last ingredient which it does have is active charcoal, which eliminates dirt, pulls out extra oil and cleanse your skin. And it comes with this mini brush through which you can easily apply this face mask. Good thing about this face mask is it doesn't dry out your skin after washing your face. It is very gentle for your skin. If you have sensitive skin as well, you can definitely use this one. Now let's see how this is going to work and see the result, and let's talk about this product later on. अब हम इसको 10 मिनट्स के लिए ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे, और 10 मिनट्स के बाद मैं जब ये बिल्कुल ड्राई आउट हो जाएगा तब अपना फेस वॉश करूंगी और आपको दिखाऊंगी इसके रिजल्ट्स।
10 minutes later.
Guys, can you see difference on my skin? I have just washed my face after 15 minutes. पूरी तरीके से ड्राई हो गया था ये। उसके बाद मैंने अपने फेस को वॉश कर लिया और जस्ट फेशियल ऑयल अप्लाई किया, उसके अलावा कुछ भी अप्लाई नहीं किया है फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, क्योंकि माई स्किन इज़ ड्राई, तो मुझे डेफिनेटली कुछ लगाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है आफ्टर वॉशिंग माई फेस, अदरवाइज मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा खिंचा महसूस होता है फेस पे। दिस इज़ माई स्किन फ्रॉम अ क्लोजर लुक। राइट नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेक्सचर, मुझे जो अपनी स्किन फील हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा बेबी स्किन फील हो रही है और बहुत सॉफ्ट और प्लम्पी फील हो रही है, और मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा फील कर पा रही हूँ सॉफ्टनेस ऑन माई स्किन। एंड इफ़ यू विल यूज़ दिस फेस मास्क फॉर अ रेगुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम लाइक थ्राइस अ वीक और ट्वाइस अ वीक आप यूज़ करना इफ़ यू हैव ड्राई स्किन, तो आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे, बिकॉज इसमें ज़्यादातर इंग्रेडिएंट्स हर्बल हैं, तो आपके फेस को, आपकी स्किन को अच्छा ही रिजल्ट्स देंगे। As you guys just saw the instant result on my face, and let me just tell you my final verdict on this product. I really love it, and guys, there are very few products in the market on which I invest my money on, and there are very few brands in the market which I trust, and this Prolixer is one of the brand which I am going to start trusting from now on. This face mask retail for 1490 rupees, but believe me you guys, this is having a huge pot which you can use for months, because you just need a teeny tiny amount on your face. Very thin layer of this face mask is required on your face, and this product is worth every penny because it is doing and giving you the results. You must have already spent thousands of your penny on the products which doesn't doesn't work at all for you, but this one is working very good on your skin. You should invest your money on this one. This product is a big thumbs up from my end, and I will put the link of this product down in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And you can use the product code called Loyalty15 to get a flat 15% off on your next purchase. One of the best thing about this brand, which I have read on their website, is that once your bottle get empty, you need to fill the request of refilling the product in the same bottle. The guy will come and refill your bottle for 6 and you are good to go for next 6-7 months. I hope you like this video and this video was helpful to you, and if you do so, then please hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is vlog with Rubal, and see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.